Hi, my name is Bethany Cook, and I'm a doctoral student here at Mexico State in the biology department. We are in Foster Hall right now, and this is the biology building where most of our research is. I am an ecology and evolution major, and I'm working on my PhD. And what that means is I am doing novel research. I am asking questions and conducting experiments looking for answers to questions that have not been answered yet. And so I am doing investigations in what we call stable isotope ecology, and I use freshwater minnows mainly as my organism for research. So we do carbon and nitrogen chemistry in this lab primarily, and carbon and nitrogen chemistry tell us a lot about food webs. So we are trying to figure out how energy and nutrients are moved from one trophic level to the next or through a food chain, and trying to figure out what is available for certain organisms in certain environments. In order to test some of our ideas, we conduct research in the laboratory setting because we can control variables, control factors that we could not control in a field setting. So I do laboratory experiments, and then I collect empirical data, and I analyze it and try to figure out answers to my questions in a way that is testing hypotheses. So I'd like to show you today some of the organisms that I use in my research. One of the organisms that I use is this freshwater minnow, which is native to many streams in North America, especially eastern United States. It's called the fat head. Show you today. I'm going to anesthetize some fish. I'm going to show you some of their features. I'm also going to show you how we collect blood from these organisms. One of the things that we look at is carbon and nitrogen values in the blood, and that tells us information about their diet and how they're using their food in the environment that they're in. So we have two fish here, and we're going to anesthetize them using a chemical called Finquel, or MS-222, and I just place a little bit of this powder into some dechlorinated water. And it'd be very difficult for me to take a fish that's swimming around and take any measurements on it, so I have to anesthetize them before I can take measurements. So I take the fish, the minnow, and place it in the water with the anesthetic compound. And very quickly they'll start to relax and slow down. It's not harming the fish. It might look like they're getting ready to die, but it's perfectly safe. So you can see them now. They're anesthetized. I can take a fish out. This is a male. I can take measurements on the fish. I will often take length and mass measurements to figure out their body condition factor and how much they have grown over the last time period that I'm considering. So it's going to pop right back to life as soon as I put him in fresh water. This is a female. In another 30 seconds or so, he'll be ready to put back in the tank.